Hello, boys and girls. How are you? Fine? Okay, today we are going to continue working in phonology. The page is the page number 13, spelling lesson number 2. Okay, here we go. I know that you can do it. Come on. Okay, circle the correct spelling of each word. Then write it in the box. But first, we are going to listen again for the word list pronunciation.
Lesson 2.
Okay? Listen
The words
again.
you will hear are not necessarily in the same order as the ones in the book. Watch out for the missing word. Night. Night. Name. Name. 9. 9. Pig. Pig. Nap. Nap. Pad. Pad. Peanut. Peanut. Pot. Pot. Purple. Purple.
Okay. Did you find the missing word? Yes? Okay. You already heard about the sounds of the words. Okay, now it's time to circle, okay, the correct spelling. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Okay, you have number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, and number 10. Okay. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know by email or by platform. I'm going to give you assistance, okay? And remember, don't worry. Be happy, okay? Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye-bye.